provided news regarding Huawei Nova 3i, which is getting Emui March Security Update 2020. At first sight, Huawei Nova 3i received its February security update back this month. Now it is getting March Security Update 2020. What is the version it will get? Well, Huawei Nova 3i will have Emui version 9.1.0.281. What is the size of the package? The size of its package would be 113 megabits. Update procedure. Open your settings and go to System and Update section. If update already came there, then simply update it. If you using HiCare app, then open it and look for Service tab. You would find Update section. Simply update it from there.